State prosecutors allege that it's one of the largest fraud cases to date in the so-called sober living home scandal. $60 million in taxpayer money was supposed to pay for mental health and substance abuse treatment. 12 News journalist Bram Resnick tells us that the indictment alleges that millions were funneled to a Phoenix church and the Central African nation of Rwanda. Bram?
At Korea Bay, the pastor of that Northwest Phoenix church is one of 20 people indicted on felony charges. Defense lawyers we spoke to said their clients either didn't know what was going on or thought what they were doing was legal.
The sober living home scandal has cost Arizona taxpayers $2 billion to date. The latest indictment adds a new twist. Some of that money allegedly was diverted to Africa. According to the 26-page indictment, Happy House Behavioral Health was paid over $60 million by the Arizona Healthcare Cost Containment System, known as AHCCCS. Happy House is charged with billing access for clients who were deceased, incarcerated, or hospitalized. A Northwest Phoenix church that bills itself as a haven for East African migrants is also caught up in the scandal. Money laundering charges allege that Happy House paid $5 million to Hope of Life International Church. According to the indictment, the church later wired $2 million to an entity in Rwanda. Happy House's offices are in a leased building on the church grounds. The church and its pastor face a combined 10 felony counts of money laundering. Attorney John Colesrud represents the pastor.
Just because he rented his property out, he's now being indicted on 4 different counts of fraud and abuse when he actually had nothing to do with this case.
Ulysses Farragut is the lawyer for 2 service providers facing racketeering charges.
It seems to be a community of folks that were involved, and from what I've seen, a lot of them didn't even realize that what they were doing was a crime.
The defendants entered not guilty pleas today. The Attorney General's office says it has clawed back just $150 million in cash and assets of the estimated $2 billion allegedly defrauded by phony treatment programs. Native Americans have been a target of the programs. By one count, at least 40 residents of sober living homes or treatment centers in the Phoenix area have died. Bram Resnick, 12 News.
Bram, thanks. Today